Hey y'all, got another video for you. This one is 3 really simple pumpkins from some scrap wood that we had. Okay y'all, I was showing you the piece of wood. That's a piece of cedar we had from working on the SOB. And that's the kind of wood glue my husband loves, so I got me some. And there's my Posca paint pen I'm going to use. And I got to sand it down first. So I did that. You see that knot on it? That looked like a tear to me. So that's why I did my sad pumpkin. I think he turns out cute. It's really simple to do his little face. I do add some little highlights at the end. After I finished it, I forgot to record. But rest of it's right there. So easy. And he looks cute. Now I'm adding all the stuff to do his stem. I like them little stumps from Dollar Tree. They're cute. And I fiddled around for a while trying to figure out what I wanted to do. I like those twirly things, but I didn't like them on this particular little pumpkin. Maybe they look too happy for the sad pumpkin. I thought I wanted to use that ball. You'll see, I try again, but it don't make the cut. I do like these little sunflowers, and I've been wanting to use them, so I decided to try one of them on there. And I thought that looked good. So I'm gonna fix them on there here in a minute. Glue my little sunflower down. And then I'm gonna add my leaf. I thought I needed 2 leaves. Thought it looked better than one. So I cut me another one off. Get them all glued down. And then here it comes, y'all. I wanted to try that ball thing again. It just didn't look right. Maybe I use it for something else. And tried that again, but in the end I decided I didn't like it. But I do add a little pine cone. It looks cute on there. Added it and all done with that one. Now these two are bigger. I'm doing them little stumps again for their stems. Now I'm going to figure out how I want to decorate that tallest one. Using the sunflowers and the leaves and that one. I did add a little twirly thing to it. I liked it on that one. And then trying to figure this one out. I knew I want my sunflowers. And I decided to use 2 on it because it's bigger than that first one. Give me some more leaves. I thought I wanted that thing, but I don't end up using it. Yeah, put my leaves together so I can stick them on there easier. I just figured that out today, y'all. I'll get the leaves where I want them. And then I add my little sunflowers. And they look cute. And then I add my little pine cone. Figuring out how I was going to set. And there he goes. And that one's done. Yeah, he didn't make it. And there we go. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. And I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. I'm still trying to build my channel.